Welcome to the introduction of Apache Spark. Spark is known for its lightning-fast big data processing capabilities. Apache Spark is a unified analytics engine designed for large-scale data processing. It comes with built-in modules to handle streaming data, SQL queries, machine learning tasks, and graph processing. Spark is known for its fast processing capabilities and ease of use. Spark consists of several core components including Spark SQL, which allows for structured data processing using SQL queries. Spark Streaming, designed for real-time stream processing. MLlib, which is a machine learning library, and GraphX, which is a framework for graph processing. All these components are built on top of Spark Core for distributed computing. Let's compare Hadoop and Spark. Hadoop is a distributed storage and processing framework that uses MapReduce for batch processing. Apache Spark is an in-memory processing engine that provides fast analytics across batch, streaming, and interactive workloads. The key differences between Hadoop and Spark lies in the processing model. Hadoop uses a disk-based processing model, while Spark uses in-memory processing. Spark is much faster, up to 100 times faster than Hadoop. Hadoop is limited to batch data processing, but Spark can handle both batch and stream processing. Finally, Hadoop is more complex to use, whereas Spark is user-friendly. Spark is up to 100 times faster than Hadoop MapReduce due to its in-memory processing. Data is stored in random access memory between operations, which eliminates disk input-output overhead. Spark also uses optimized engine, which includes advanced query optimization and efficient execution planning. Spark architecture includes a driver program, where the Spark context manages and coordinates execution. The driver program communicates with executor nodes, which are worker nodes distributed across a cluster. It uses a master worker architecture with distributed task execution. Spark has numerous use cases including real-time analytics for live dashboards and monitoring. It is used for large-scale machine learning model training and prediction. Spark is also used for extract, transform, load pipelines at scale. Also, Spark is used for graph analytics, for social networks and recommendation systems. Apache Spark is the unified engine for modern big data processing. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.